Good morning, students. In a previous lecture, we studied the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction or improper fraction into mixed fraction because of the addition. उसका भी एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे हम समझो वी हैव 1 and 4/3 1 and we take another example 1 and 3/4. This is our an mixed fraction. We converted already in previous lecture. We studied that to how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Means how we convert in the mixed fraction. We directly multiply 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 7/4 is our improper fraction. We directly converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. But the process is that 1 into 4 and this plus 3/4. इस प्रोसेस से हमने किया था और फिर 4 1 जा 4, 4 plus 3 7/4 is our answer. But we can directly multiply same as like this 4 1 जा 4, 4 plus 3 7/4. If 4 1 जा 4 plus 3 is equal to 7/4 is our answer. In previous lecture we already studied that. Understand? But now we have to study add and subtract mixed fractions. Add and subtract mixed fractions. Now we have to add and subtract mixed fractions. You know mixed fractions. Now we have first question. First is add 1 and 1/2 plus 1 and 1/3. 1 and 1/2 and 1 and 1 plus 1/3. हम इन दोनों के एडिशन कर रहे. Now how we add these two? Now see, 1 means a whole number. There is also 1 means whole number. You don't know about the whole numbers. These are the whole numbers and this is the fractions. Now see, 1 plus 1. This 1 and 1/2, that means 1 plus 1/2. 1 means 1 complete and 1 half means half. Now see, this 1 and this half we represent as like this. You understand? Now this plus 1 complete and 1/3 means this as like one part of from 3. Understand? And this one we add 1 and 1 2 plus this half and 1/3. This half and 1/3. Then how we add 1 and this 1/3? This is half and 1/3. That means we divide C plus 1 half and plus 1/3. This we add as 3 1s are 3 and 2 1s are 2 and below there are 6. That means 2 into 3 plus 2 5/6 is our answer. Same as like this, we add these fractions. See how we add in answer. This 1 and 1/2 plus 1 and 1/3 in answer. Now see, this one and this one, 1 plus 1 plus this 1/2 and plus 1/3. You understand? Is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 plus. There is a डिनोमिनेटर्स आर डिफरेंट. इन दोनों में डिनोमिनेटर्स कैसे है? डिफरेंट है. नाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस फ्रैक्शन बाय व्हाट? इस फ्रैक्शन को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? इन दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के लिए. इस फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के लिए इसके डिनोमिनेटर से इस फ्रैक्शन को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इसके डिनोमिनेटर से इस फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. यू अंडरस्टैंड? देन 1 into 3 and 2 into 3. ये देखो यहाँ पे इस 1/2 का एक है, ये प्लस यहाँ पे क्या था 1/3. तो 1/3 को 1 को 2 से एंड 3 को भी 2 से. नाउ 2 प्लस 1 into 3 3 and 2 3s are 6 plus 1 into 2 2 and 3 2s are 6. You understand? नाउ देर इज, यहाँ पे दोनों के भी फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर सेम आ गए, देन 2 प्लस 5/6, that means 2 and 5/6. You understand our answer? You understand how to add mixed fractions? How to add mixed fractions? You understand how to add and mixed fractions? Understand or not? Yes. Now we have subtraction. सब्ट्रैक्शन का भी और एक एग्जांपल लेंगे हम एडिशन का, दैट्स वेरी इजी. नाउ सी द सेकंड एग्जांपल ऑफ एडिशन. ऐड 3 and 4/5 प्लस 2. 3 and 4/5 प्लस. अब अगर यहाँ पे आपने अच्छे से देखा तो यहाँ पे तो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो फ्रैक्शन ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शन है तो नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 2 इज एन होल नंबर. 2 इज एन होल नंबर. इन आंसर these 3 plus 4/5 plus 2, that means then 3 plus 2 6, no 5, 3 plus 2 5, sorry, 3 plus 2 5 and plus 4/5 means 5 and 4/5. You understand our answer? 5 plus 4/5 means 5 and 4/5. Now we have so much examples is there. Now we add one more example. Add next example है हमारे पास. add 4 and 3/4 plus 2 and 3/8. 2 and 3/8. In answer, how we add this 4 and this 2? 4 plus 2 plus 3/4 and plus 3/8. Now 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 in दोनों का एडिशन. Now we have to add this 3 plus 4 plus 3/8. अब यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 8 है, दोनों के भी डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने. तो जैसे आपने पिछले इसमें देखा है कि इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे 4 के टेबल में 8 आते हैं कि नहीं? 4 के टेबल में 8 तो आते हैं ना. तो कौन से नंबर को आते हैं? 2 नंबर को. तो हम उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देन 3 इंटू 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इंटू 2. क्यों 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है? क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम करने हैं. क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करें हम 2 से? बिकॉज वी हैव टू make same denominator. We have to make same denominator. That's why 3/8. Now see, 6 plus 3 2s are 6/8 plus 3 plus 8. हो गया denominator same. Now this is 6 and 6 plus 3 9/8 is our answer. You understand how to add the mixed fraction? How to add mixed fractions. Now we have so many examples as like that. Now we take next example. Now we have for addition as another method is that there. Now see, we directly add this. Now we have another method same as like that. Answer is the same, but the another method is 1 and 1/2 प्लस 1 and 1/3. सेम यही एग्जाम्पल हम यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज वी हैव टू लर्न अनदर मेथड एज सेम एज लाइक दैट इन आंसर. नाउ सी, वी studied the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now see, we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3/2 plus same as like that 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4/3. ओके. अब ये दोनों फ्रैक्शन की एडिशन तो करनी है हमें. अब एडिशन करते समय हम कैसे करेंगे? इसके डिनोमिनेटर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें. 3 3 जा 9, 2 4 जा 6 and 2 3 जा 6. 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6. How? 9 plus 6 is equal to 14/6. But this is not a mixed fraction. Then how we convert into mixed fraction? See how we convert these 14 upon 6. That means 14 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Then 14 minus 12. Now this here, and this number here. Now that means 2 into, सॉरी सॉरी यहाँ पे कुछ मिस्टेक्स हो गए. ये 4 twos are there are 8 not 6. Then 9 plus 8 is 17. Then 17 upon 6. Now see these 17 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, and 6 threes are 18, but 6 threes are 12. No, 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Now 17 minus 12, there is a 5. Now this number is here, this number here, and this number upside. That means 2 and 5 upon 6 is our answer. You understand? There is 17 upon 6. Sorry, यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक हो गया हमारे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, इस वजह से प्रॉब्लम है. 2 and 5 upon 6 is our answer. See, this answer and this answer are same. Now we take next example is there, and so see 1 and 4 upon 5 plus 2 and 3 upon 4 is our next example. 1 and 4 upon 5 plus 2 and 3 upon 4 is our next example. How we solve this example? See, we solve by both methods, but now we solve that second method. We convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4, 9 upon 5. You understand how we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now see, 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4 is our next. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Now there is a different denominators. Then how we add these two numbers? We multiply this 4 by here and this 5 by here. Now see, 9 into 4 upon 5 into 4 plus 11 into 5 and 4 into 5. 9 fours are 36 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20. You understand? 9 fours are 36 and 5 into 4, 5 fours are 20. Now next, plus 11 fives are 55 and divided by 4 fives are 20. Now here both the denominators are same. Now 36 plus 55 divided by 20. 20 is a common denominator. Then 36 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11. Carry 1. That 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. That means 91 upon 20 is our answer. But this is not our proper answer. We have to find mixed fraction. Now how we obtain mixed fraction? 91 divided by 20. Then 24 is 18. 91 minus 80, there is 11. Now this number here, this is here, and this number is here. That means 4 upon 20 and there is 11. This is our mixed fraction. You understand how to find out mixed fractions? Yes or no? Now you have so much homework is there. आप लोग ये दिया वाला होमवर्क सब घर पे सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, कुछ एग्जांपल्स देता हूँ मैं एडिशन के. ऐड फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज देयर 1 and 2 upon 3 plus 2 and 2 upon 4. No, 3 upon 4. Second number example 2 and 4 upon 5 plus 3 and 7 upon 8. Third number example 2 and 4 upon 5 plus 3 and 5 upon 6. And 4 number example 2 and 2 upon 3 plus 3 and 3 upon 4. Understand? ये examples आपको घर पे solve करने. Okay.